Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like, comment, share this video and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Today I am gonna make fingerless crochet gloves. Here I am using green color of yarn. Hold yarn like this. Here I am using 4mm crochet hook. Make a slip knot. Here we have a small hole of slip knot. Start to make a chain. Here I am total make of 55 chains. Here my 55 chains complete. Now skip first 2 chains and make a double crochet into the third chain. Continue making 1 double crochet in every chain below. Repeat the same pattern until you reach in the last chain. Here my first row complete. Now I'm gonna make next row. After the beginning of new row, we make 2 chains on top for double crochet. Now we're gonna make 1 double crochet in every chain but in back loop only. Now I will teach you what is the back loop. Here we see 2 chains on top and on the back side there is the back loop. Now still continue making 1 double crochet in back loop only. Continue to repeat this pattern. Here my second row complete. Now I'm gonna make third row, make 2 chains on top and 1 double crochet into the back loop only. Repeat this pattern again until you complete a total of 21 rows. Here my 21 rows complete with double crochet in back loop only. Now take your crochet hook and join both ends with slip stitch. Joining tutorial I will show you in this video clearly. Now join both sides with slip stitch. Now we're gonna make space for thumb. Leave one side of the pattern and continue making slip stitch. Here my thumb space complete. Now join both sides again with slip stitch and continue making slip stitch again until you reach in the end. Slip stitch in the end and cut the leftover yarn. Secure it tightly in the end. Now I am attach white color of yarn for flowers. Hold yarn like this and make a slip knot. Then continue making 3 chains on top for double crochet. Make 4 double crochet into the same chain below. Here my 4 double crochet complete. Now skip 2 chains and slip stitch into the third chain below. Three chains on top again and make 4 double crochet into the same chain below. Here my 4 double crochet complete. Now skip 2 chains and slip stitch into the third chain below. Repeat the same pattern again. Continue making same pattern until you complete the both sides. Here my both sides are complete with flower pattern. Now slip stitch in the end. Cut the leftover yarn. Secure it tightly in the end. Now hide the leftover yarn with using your crochet hook. Here your crochet fingerless gloves is ready to use. It is very warm and cozy, perfect for winters. If you wanna make more collection for winters, subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.